Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a MetaMask wallet. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official MetaMask website. It's crucial to ensure you are visiting the legitimate site to protect your information and funds. Download and install the browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or Edge. Once installed, click Get Started and choose Create a Wallet. You'll then set a strong password, which encrypts your wallet locally on your device. Your secret recovery phrase is your master key. Anyone with it can access your funds. Write down these 12 words on paper and store them in a secure, offline location, like a safe deposit box. Do not store it digitally. Your password should be at least 12 to 16 characters long, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Also, set your MetaMask auto-lock timer to 5 minutes or less for added security. To fund your MetaMask wallet, you have a few options. You can easily buy tokens directly within MetaMask by clicking the Buy button. This allows you to use payment methods like debit or credit cards or bank transfers, depending on your region. Alternatively, you can transfer cryptocurrency from an exchange like Coinbase. Simply copy your MetaMask public address, which starts with 0x, and paste it into the withdrawal section of your exchange. Always double-check URLs before connecting your wallet to any decentralized application to avoid phishing scams. MetaMask will never ask for your secret recovery phrase. For enhanced security, especially with significant holdings, consider linking a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. This requires physical confirmation for transactions, adding an extra layer of protection. And speaking of smart choices, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.